लुसोफोनिया गेम्सा खातीर उबारिल्ल्या मुळाव्या सुविधांचो गोंयच्या खेळामोग्यांक आनी वयर सरतल्या नव्या खेळगड्यांक वापर जातलो काय ना हाचेर सरकारान विचार करूंक जाय अशें मत मायकल लोबोन उक्तायलां. पर्यटन मंत्री दिलीप परुळेकार आनी प्ले बॉयाच्या विशया उपरांत मायकल लोबोचो सरकारा कडेन हो तिसरो पंगो.
Government needs to give coaches at village levels to bring our children up. And I think after the Lusophonia Games, the government needs to rethink such big infrastructures they are creating. Who are going to be playing on them? Whether it is going to be international players who will come to Goa, or whether it is going to be our Goans who will be given all this infrastructure with good coaches to come up in any field of sport.
रान खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी शेनवारा सकाळी मडगांव कोमाच्या जुजे क्रुजाच्या घराचेर धाड मारून सुमार 20 किलो मेरूचें मांस जप्त केलें. मांस मारपाक वापरिल्लीं हत्यारां अधिकाऱ्यांनी जप्त केल्या. हें मांस फ्रिजांत दवरिल्लें.
मडगांव कोंबा एका घरान सांबाराचें मांस दवरिल्ल्याची कागाळ रान खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यांक शुक्रारा रातीं मेळ्ळी. ताचे वेल्यान शेनवारा सकाळी संक रान खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी घराचेर धाड मारली. जुजे क्रुजाच्या घरान फ्रिजान सांबाराचें मांस दवरिल्लें. तशेंच सांबाराची कात पुलिसांक सांपडली. पुलिसांनी सुमार 20 किलो मांस जप्त केलें. मांस मारपाक वापरिल्लीं हत्यारां अधिकाऱ्यांनी जप्त केल्यात.
It's a late night we received information that somebody has some mutton of sambar with them. So accordingly today morning 6 o'clock we raided this place and we have attached the meat. It is around 20 kilos, but more than that we have to wait and we'll arrest the accused. They all ladies only are here, so we'll do the formalities as per the laws.
रिपोर्टर समीर भट, प्रुडंटा खातीर.
आता पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो घडामोडी.
Chairman of the Goa Citizens Welfare Trust, along with my colleague over here, Ernest Moraes, who is the secretary of the trust, and Rocky and Maria. We are here today. We have collected over here with the villagers of Agasai, and yesterday we had a very big meeting at Verna. Okay, all basically local farmers. Okay, who are basically selling their products. Okay, which they sell in the backyard, which they produce in their backyards. Okay, they're coming on the road, maybe on the highway, or some of them off the highway. The police were coming and harassing them, demanding money, and sometimes by force even taking their products.
आणि त्यांचे सेक्शन 34 लायला ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन टू ट्रॅफिक ते रस्त्या भायर आहे ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन ट्रॅफिक मग तेंचेर लायला कंप्लेन हे रॉंग आसा ते गाडयांचेर लावपाचें कंप्लेन सेक्शन 34.
Sarthak Cotton Fab is organizing Sarthak Fab at National Club from 25th May. This is up to 3rd June. From 11 states, 30 participants are participating, which they are displaying and selling their products. We are giving 20% discount on handlooms and 10% on handicrafts. We are accepting all debit and credit cards. All Goan peoples are requested to visit once a time with family at National Club MG Road, Panjim. This exhibition is up to 3rd June. Thank you. Thank you.
इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.